Hi guys, we will play Brawl Stars with the golden Rico. Yes sir, loaded Rico. Royals. But that's a good skin. So we're gonna play Rico. I'm not that good in Rico. So we need to play Rico. It's tier 20. It will be hard. So my Charlie is tier 27 and it's 864 trophies, I think. Oh, that's good. We can do Dyna show. Bum deal. Yes, sir, ski. Wow. Bruh. No. Shishimi. Oh my god. No, don't come. Oh my god. My health is so low. Red card. You hit me like that. So we're gonna heal now. Oh my god! We get defeated, but that's gay. No problem. So we are still playing. When we do this 20, we will have Dyna show. We'll have some Dyna show. Oh my god. Bruh. So I don't want to get messed with the pearl. I think I need to be in bushes for some minutes. Don't judge me, man. I'm not that good in Rico, so I need to be in bushes. Bushes. My English is not that much good. Sorry for my English. Oh my god. Oh no, 8-bit. I was protecting you, man. I'm be sad. I'm not a toxic player. Bruh. No problem. I'm not cringe, please. I just want to make you fun. Oh my god, what the hell? Buster is so OP, man. Don't come here. Please, team. Please. I'm so sad. They don't love me. They don't know me, son. They don't know me. Oh my god. Yes. I'm so bad at Rico. What the hell? Yeah. Don't do that. Please. Shishimi. Yeah. Oh. Man, no. Please 5 brawlers left. Team. Please 5 brawlers left. Yes, Sirski. Please 4. The 4 is good, man. The best form is 3. Oh my god. Yeah. That's bad. Oh my god, man. Like a man. Oh, wrong tier. Okay. 500. So dynamike show. I want to do the Colt 25 again. We have characters. I'm not gay. Please don't look at my Edgar and Miko and Kit. Oh my god. So we will play solo showdown with dynamike. Dynamike song tutorial. Bump dela. Oh my god, that thing is good. Bump dela. Oh, what the hell? Oh. Bump dela. Vin. Don't come here, mate. If you come, you die. Look at the jumps. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I'm sad, bro. What the hell? Yeah. Man, come here, Johnny. Oh my god. Johnny. Here is not a man. I am happy. Don't come. Oh, that's bad. We will jump. Yes, sir. Look at this. Whoa. So you just go like this. Okay, there's a good place. Don't come here, please. Dynamike song tutorial. What the hell? Yeah. Don't come, please. Don't come, please. Oh my god, that's literally so OP when they come. Okay, we will play Sneaky Fields. Yes, dynamike with Sneaky Fields. That's good. I think so. So when we do the dynamike 700, video ends. Shibanita, yeah. Oh my god, what the hell, yeah? Look at this Torix right now. Bum dealer. Bum dealer. Bum dealer. Torix. Bomb. I break them front. Yes, sir. Oh, I can't use the gadgets right now. Like boom. So we will score, I think. Yes, sir. I Spiper 764. Here. I know he is here. Oh my god, man. Look at the mini. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so bored. Beep. What the hell? Hello, I show speed. Give me the ball. Oh my god. Bruh. Red card to you. I can't do anything in this match, so don't look at. Yes, win streak. We have 2 win streaks. What? What? Oh my god, what? Okay, so we will do 700. In 700 match, I will play with. And then we will do 25 tier 25. 125. What? We have Berry, I don't know the name very well. Okay, one. Dynamike song tutorial. Bum dela. Bum dela. Bum dela. Give me the ball. I will do Dino Show. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. He stole my goal. I give them a red card. Here's a Frank. Boom. Oh my. Okay, that. Oh my god! How the hell? Not hell. What the skibidi? Oh, don't come, man! Oh, Frank is so OP. No problem. We can win still. We are winning there right now, right? I forgot that. No, Frank. No, man. No, please, no. God, no. Thank you, God. Boom. What? He's not dead? Boom. We are not playing bad in this game, I think. Oh my god. Oh, I can't do double jumps now. What? Look at that dodge. Oh my god. Thank you, gracias. Muchas gracias, afición. Está para vosotros. Bum. Goal. Score that. Yes, sir. I think the match players of me. Yeah, start play you. So guys, today, oh, underdog, what? And mystery, yes sir. You get plus 44, 40, no, 14, I think, yes. So look at this, we have the low match. So guys, today we did the dynamike rank 24 again and the rico rank 20. So thank you for watching, guys. If you want, you subscribe. I don't know how to say. If you want, you don't. Thank you for what. If you watch, thank you for watching. If you don't watch, you know, if you want, you watch. That's not matter to me. So goodbye, guys. See you in the next video if I upload.